My name is Adriana, audiologist with AV Audiology and Hearing Aids. Alrighty, so the way that you know what type of wax filter system you have is you're going to look into your bag or box of tools that you received with your hearing aids. If you see something that looks like this, these are actually inside, there are sticks. If you see something like this, this is the disc system. So for this video, we're going to talk about changing the wax filter using the disc system. So when you look at the discs, you'll see there's a step 1 and a step 2. Step 1 is where you're going to insert the receiver and it will remove the existing filter. And then step 2 is to put the new filter in its place. And as you click through, you'll see more filters. There are 8 filters in each of these packs. So the first step, you're going to take disinfectant wipes. I recommend these wipes are very good to clean the hearing aid. They use the same active ingredient in some more expensive hearing aid wipes. You can find, and as long as it says disinfectant wipes, it's the same active ingredient. So you're going to take a wipe and you're going to wipe down that dome thoroughly. And then you can actually use the wipe to grip it and remove it. So now you'll see the little speaker underneath. And you're going to take this and insert it into the hole that has a number 1. It looks like a little trash can. Insert it in there and you'll feel or hear a click. Then I pulled it out and it has removed the existing filter. It's now in step 1, the trash can. Then you're going to take this same, or the wire speaker end, and you're going to push it into the hole number 2. Same thing, you're going to feel or hear a click, and it has inserted the new wax filter in its place. Then the last thing you want to do is make sure that you very securely put the little rubber dome back on so that it's flush over the stem all the way to the little rectangular box, which is the speaker, like that. And there you have it.